NeverEndingWorld, SMA and Sah'Lem. Thank you for watching.
A rainbow with your orange wedges. How about this colorful grapes? What are those?
Green.
Green. Purple.
Another green.
Another green.
Purple again.
Purple again.
Green and again.
Green and again.
Purple again.
Purple again.
Green and again.
Green again.
Green and green.
Green and green.
Purple the green.
Purple next to the green.
Purple.
And purple.
Purple. Here you go.
A phone call?
Yeah.
With the orange wedge, okay.
Yeah.
Hello? Hi. How are you? Okay.
Yeah.
Here he is. Here he is.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I want more.
Uh-huh. More?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And the grapes. Grape.
Uh-huh. Green grape? Uh-huh.
Oh, it's great.
Wow. Okay, this is our little chef's corner. He has his toppings and vegetables, his smoothie treats that he puts in his blender in here, and it's fruits, pats, like little patties. And then he has his little pot with fries right there, and his spatula, and his pot to put some stew in there. Oh, maybe he could put some vegetables in there. And then his pizza and cheeses, meats right there, and his spatulas and knife. And this is his kitchen. All right, so this is for Chef Sah'Lem. The best way to encourage a 2-year-old is to offer them different variety of foods in a fun way. All right, so this is your smoothie stuff. Hi. Hi. Okay, good job. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes, you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. 5. Awesome, Chef Star. Now look at your ingredients. This is for your pizza. Oh, all right. And this is your pizza dish here. This is your oven. This is your oven, and you're cooking. You move things in back and forth. Okay. All right. There you go, Chef. All right.
I got a banana.
Okay. Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
And there's onions.
Onion.
And this is onion.
Onion, and this is onion. Another onion.
And this is
Pepperoni. Yes.
Pineapple.
And pineapple. And what's that?
Mushroom.
I love mushroom. Thank you for adding that into the pizza. And I see olives. Yummy. That's a lot of variety of toppings. Those are called toppings. Yummy toppings.
No, this way.
Yeah, that way. Mm-hmm.
That way.
Yes. Good job.
Good job.
Good job. You got a nice setup of a kitchen here. You got pots and a smoothie blender here.
What is this?
Oh, those are all your utensils. So,
Alright.
all right, so you're gonna cut your pizza?
Yes.
Let's cut the pizza then.
No.
No, not yet.
No. Not here.
Not yet.
No. No, it's a knife. Mama, can you knife it?
Okay, you want me to help you cut it? Okay. So what you do is you take this and you roll. You already know how to do that, right? So, okay, never mind. I'll let you figure it out.
With a knife.
Yeah, you cut it with the knife. There you go. There you go.
Whoa. I'm gonna do the pizza and a knife. Let's do the knife. This is and slices and just always on the pizza.
Where's your oven? You gotta put it on the pad or the platter, right? So you can put it in the oven. Is your bed the oven for now? Yeah, put it under. Yes, and move it under your bed, right? Or that's the stove up there, and that's under your bed is the oven, right? Under the bed.
Under the oven.
Yes. Under the bed. Under the bed.
I want a piece of slice.
Oh, you want a slice too? I'm waiting for it. That's Manny. Yeah, your brother just made a nice pizza here.
No, maybe cut it. Maybe slicing. Okay. Yummy.
Yummy.
Pineapple. I have
That's turkey bacon
chicken bacon.
or pepperoni. Turkey bacon. What do you have? Are you saying them again or anymore? Are you gonna say them anymore or no? What do you got? Bacon? What's that? Pineapple? What's that? Oh, this one is wrong. Gotta flip it. This one is on the wrong side. Can I help you? Here we go. There you go. Now flip it over. There you go.
On the
Alright, Safi, you go ahead one more time. Go ahead, mix together. Hurry up. Mix it nicely. Look here, don't spill. Look at your stuff so you don't spill it like last time. The whisk fell down and it all spread out all over the kitchen.
Spread out all the kitchen.
Be careful, Safi.
Let's mix it together.
No, you can't do it together. He can just hang out with you. Alright, I need it because the oil is ready. Okay? Now go ahead and have a seat. Thank you for helping me make.
They are watching our favorite show. Please subscribe. I hope you like my food.